Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucketflow, and today we are going to see about EFS demo. EFS stands for Elastic File System, and if you are new to this channel, you can check out my previous video where I have explained the theory of what is EFS and what is the use of it. And this is the diagram we are going to follow. Okay, we have a two EC2 instance which is different AZ, and with that one EFS. So we will mount this EFS to EC2 1 and EC2 second EC2 instance, and we will create a file in EC2 1 and then we'll access to EC2. So or a vice versa. That's we are going to follow this. And before starting, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. We have total 331 subscriber. You will be 332. Okay, one subscribers matters. If you're on LinkedIn, do follow me there as well. You can check out my portfolio as well. So let's get started. Okay, so we will start with creating a two EC2 instance. Click on launch instance and we'll give here EFS demo 1, demo EC2, then 1. Okay, go with Amazon Linux. You can install any operating system, there is no issue in that. You can create the security group, you can create the key pair, and I have already created the security group. We'll see what is there in the inbound and outbound rule. No worry in that. And we need two EC2 instance, so launch instance. Okay, so our instance is launched. Here is our EC2 1 and we'll name it as EC2. Okay, we need to connect to this EC2 instance. Okay, we'll connect and we'll connect to other EC2 instance as well. This one is EC2 1. Okay, here is our second EC2. We'll connect. You can connect by SSH also, there is no issue in that. Okay, so here is our EC2, and before starting, let's see our security group. What is that in that? So this is a security group which I have created. If you go inside that security group, these are the inbound rules. Okay, you can create. We have HTTPS, NFS, which we are going to use. NFS, with this protocol, we are transferring the file and we are able to access this file. Okay, HTTP and HTTPS and SSH. So HTTPS and HTTP is not required, you can remove, but NFS and SSH is required as of now, because this security group we are using in EFS as well. So here is our Linux EC2 1. Okay, let me zoom this one. Okay, so before we need to install two things. We need to update an Amazon EFS utility we need to install. Click on paste. Okay, and we'll do the same thing here as well. Okay, paste, and we'll wait for a minute and let it complete it. Okay, so now it's done. We'll sudo -i. Okay, and here is also done, so sudo -i. Okay, now this is a security group. Now we'll create EFS. And this, it will look like something like this. Okay, you can watch the tutorial as well, go to the documentation. What is it? Create file. Okay, and can give here EFS EFS demo v1. You can mention anything. Okay, the default VPC. Click on customization. Okay, which is required. I will let you know why it's required customization. Okay, keep it default everything. Now you need to go to the network access. Okay, in that you need to select the security group which we have created. Okay, for all the AZs, and this is a security group. This will be the security group, and here is our security group. Okay, keep it default everything, no need to touch anything. Click on next, and then create. Okay, and if you go inside your file system, okay, go to the network section, Okay, now you will get something it's like that. Mount target, as I have seen in the EFS mount target. Okay, and AZ, which AZ it is available, VPC ID subnet, mounting target creating its IP address, network interface, and here will be the security group. I'm not sure why it's not visible. It should be visible. Network might be after once the creation is done, then it will be visible our security group here. So we'll wait for a minute until it's all available, then we'll start.
2,000 years later.
Okay, our network tab is completed. Now you can see mounting target state is all available, and here is our security group which we have created. Okay, and we'll go to our EC2 instance. So this is our first EC2 instance, you can see here. Okay, and what you can do, let me clear this one. Okay, go to your EFS, click on attach. Okay, you can see here EFS. Okay, we will mount via an IP address. I tried with DNS, I faced some issue, so I'm mounting by IP address. Mounting is nothing but you are attaching your EFS to EC2 instance so that you can use it. Okay, click on it here, go to your EC2 instance. Now here we need to create a directory, sudo mkdir EFS. Okay, our directory is created, EPS, and paste that command here and wait for a minute. Okay, our we got successfully mounted. Well, how we can verify? Type it df -h. You will see here our IP address, and here it's mounted. Okay, EFS root mount. Okay, so what we will do, we will create few files in our EFS folder. Okay, so we'll go to inside EFS. Okay, now we are inside, nothing is there, so we'll create vim file1.txt. Okay, and we'll mention here hello from EC2 1, please like and share. Okay, so this is what we have added, wq. Now if I cat file1.txt, we have something in our file. Okay, now what we will do, we will mount our EFS file to this EC2 instance. Okay, the second EC2. Okay, so same here, we need to create a mounting directory, sudo mkdir EFS. Okay, now directory is created. Now we'll paste the same command. Okay, you can verify here df -h, so it's there, ll there. So go to the inside EFS. Okay, we will have one file which is file1.txt, cat file1 file1.txt. Okay, now I can see here hello from EC2 1, please like and share. Okay, now what happen if I create a file in EC2 and will access from our first instance EC2. Okay, first instance, so we'll create here vim file2.txt, and here we'll mention please subscribe and share. Okay, wq. Now if I see here, will have a two file. Okay, this file which we have created in our second EC2 instance. So this is our first EC2 instance. Let's see, we'll have our file here. Now you can see here cat file2.txt. You can see the content. Okay, so that's what is the purpose of is EFS. Okay, we have created one EFS file, we'll mount it to EC2 instance, and vice versa we can access the files and all. Okay, so this is the demo for EFS. Okay, and we have mounted. Now we will do the cleanup also, so that it not cost you a lot. What you can do, you need to unmount our EFS, then you can delete EC2 and EFS. So we'll do that one also. Sudo umount, it's not unmount, it's umount EFS. Okay. Ument file is not okay because we are inside EFS, we need to go outside. Okay. Now sudo umount EFS. Okay, now it's done. From our first instance, we'll do the same thing from our second instance. Sudo umount EFS. Okay, it's done. Now what you can do, you can terminate your EC2 instance and EFS. So here our EC2 instance. To connection and terminate. And for the EFS, select the EFS file, click on delete, confirm. Now it will delete. Okay. Deleting mount target file. It will all delete everything. Okay. And meanwhile, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Do follow me on my LinkedIn. Okay, we can reach out to me anytime if you face any issue. Do let me know in my comment section. I will surely reply to your comments. I will be more than happy to reply all your comments. Okay, so now our cleanup is done. Okay, go to dashboard. You can verify here from instance is running or not. If it is running, please stop it. Okay, so that's all for today. You have seen the demo as well for EFS. Do let me know if you need any specific video or any more explanation on this one. I will make a video on that. See you in the next video. Bye bye.